Guys, what your badness in our kitchen today? So I go on some bad curry chicken foot, guys, and rice. Guys, just stay tuned and watch the badness in our kitchen. Some bad curry chicken foot, guys. Believe that. Guys, we soon come back. Some curry chicken foot and white rice, guys. Yeah. Curry chicken foot and white rice. So guys, soon come back, guys. Yeah, guys, so I go on in our chicken foot, but guys, I go light up my stove and make no swag on a be a badness. Soon come back. Guys, look what I go on in the kitchen. So I go on, guys. Be a badness. Bad curry chicken for tell you now. Guys, be a badness. So I'm gonna know, guys. I go wash my rice, cook my rice to go and cook. You understand my we pat over this so yeah. So guys, stay tuned and watch what I go on in the kitchen, guys. Yeah, be a badness. Yo, my brother, guys, so I go on in the kitchen. Be a badness, guys. Be a badness. Yeah, guys, that be a badness. Be a badness, guys. Some curry chicken foot. Some white rice. Don't know badness already, you know. Overs. Oh, my chicken foot so well cooked, guys. Well cooked. Guys, when I go to I get one bag and throw you over the top of rice right now. You understand now that making steam. Guys, watch your badness.